Good day, ma'am. My name is Chris Obitalas, BS Cram 3, Section A. I choose the topic fire extinguisher. What is fire extinguisher? It is a mechanical device usually made of metal containing chemicals, fluids, or gases for stopping fires. The means for application of its contents for the purpose of putting out fire, particularly small fire, before it propagates. Types of fire extinguisher: water fire extinguisher, liquefied fire extinguisher, dry chemical fire extinguisher, foam extinguisher, soda acid fire extinguisher, vaporizing liquid fire extinguisher. Lastly is carbon dioxide fire extinguisher. Step in using portable fire extinguisher. First is fold the pen. Second, aim at the base of fire. Third, squeeze the lever. Lastly, sweep side to side.